As an agent of good news, today I want to tell you that Bitcoin is likely to hit $200,000 in the next bull cycle. Don't judge yet. If you're ready to take your share of this money, then watch this video to the end. And if you're not greedy and stingy, save it, share to your friends, family, enemies, and if you don't mind, your village people. My name is Kimbeni. I teach people how to become crypto experts and build wealth in the crypto space without relying on mentors and coaches. In this video, we will discuss the upcoming Bitcoin halving event happening April 2024. I will talk about its significant impact and how it may affect the market generally. I will also share my investment strategy, my price prediction. But wait, let's understand what Bitcoin halving is. Bitcoin halving is an event closely related to mining rewards. You see, miners solve cryptographic puzzles and validate Bitcoin transactions to earn new Bitcoins. The reward for mining is set in the Bitcoin software during the early time of Bitcoin, and this was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto. But it is halved every 4 years to control the supply at which they earn. So Bitcoin came into life 2009 with a block reward of 50 BTC for miners. Then in 2012, the reward halved to 25 BTC per block for miners, followed by another halving event that occurred 2016, which is the third one. It was further reduced to 6.25 BTC. We have had 3 halving already occurred. So the next one we're expecting 2024 April, it will reduce to 3.125 BTC per block for miners, and this trend will continue with the last Bitcoin is mined. However, the last Bitcoin will be a viable 2140. I just make a remind you. Bitcoin total supply is capped at 21 million BTC, and halving helps to create scarcity, like I said before, because when it's scarce, the value have to increase. Note that. So in the first cycle that happens between 2009 to 2012, count it is 4 years, 50% of Bitcoin supply was distributed, and by the end of the current one that will happen in 2020 to 2024, another 4 years, 94% of total Bitcoin will already be in circulation. I mean, in the market, people trading. And you see, this slowly reduces the selling pressure for miners and increases scarcity, like I've said. Halving actually affects supply and demand dynamics, playing a significant role in the price that we see today. Moving on, each Bitcoin halving cycle can be divided into 3 phases. The first 1.5 to 2 years after the halving has actually occurred is a bullish year. That is what you see that happened after the halving 2016 to 17 to 18 was a bullish year. Then you look at the halving that occurred 2020, 2021, 2022 was a bullish year. But the third year, which is this year 2023, is typically a bearish year, and the fourth year the market will recover because the halving will occur and investors and traders will set to make another new wave, to make another history in their portfolio. I can tell you from what I have seen now that the historical pattern is indicating bull run should be starting from 2024 continue into 2025. I hope you're catching up with this. Considering the current market trends and historical pattern, here are my prediction for the next cycle. Listen carefully. Currently, Bitcoin is expected to consolidate between $25,000 to $25,000 until Q1 2024. First quarter 2024. And now to set a new all-time high after the halving has occurred, I am expecting Bitcoin to hit $70,000. That is my worst prediction. And to hit $200,000, that is my best prediction. But how did I come out with these predictions? That will take us to market valuation, and then we can touch altcoins small. Bitcoin reaches $200,000. The total cryptocurrency market cap will exceed 8 trillion. Now let's check back 2017 bull run. The total market cap was over 700 billion. The 2021 and 2022 bull run, it was approximately 3 trillion, but then it should be between 2.7 to 2.8 trillion. Following these statistics, 700 billion to almost 3 trillion in 4 years. Do you think 8 trillion is realistic on the next bull run? Leave your comments below. But let me also remind you, since you want to start saving or investing in the cryptocurrency, that Ethereum is likely to grow alongside with Bitcoin because they too play a significant role in the industry. And for altcoin, altcoins, I may not really say much about them because those guys can perform magic. They can use 2 minutes to give you 1000 eggs. However, you still need to pay attention but to viable ones and don't hold them for too long. Make profits then you leave. Okay, let's look at other altcoins like Ripple, Solana, Cardano, and some others that potentially cross 100 billion market cap. Do you think they are going to cross the threshold on this next bull run? They're going to cross the highest all-time high on this next bull run. To get the viable answer for all these questions, I will recommend you to join my Telegram community by using the link on my bio, because inside there I'll also share with you my altcoin investment portfolio breakdown. Join me now because I truly want to see you at the top.